First of all, you want to remove your dipstick fully and wipe it clean. Once clean, reinsert it back into the engine fully. Remove the dipstick once more and check that the oil is between the minimum and maximum levels on the dipstick. If it is below the minimum levels, you might want to top it up a bit. Check your vehicle manual to find out what type of oil your car uses. Ask someone to walk around your vehicle whilst you switch all your lights on and off. If any of your lights don't work, we advise you to take your vehicle to your local garage to replace them. They can be difficult to replace yourself. You wouldn't think it, but an empty screen wash bottle will cause an MOT failure. We would recommend topping it up regularly so you always have it when you need it. You can use a 20p coin to check tyres' tread depth. If the outer rim of the 20p is visible, then you need to get a new tyre. If the sidewalls of your tyres are cracked or perished, then you may need to get them replaced also. Ensure your windscreen is clean before checking it. The driver's side of the windscreen is called the swept area. In the swept area, you're allowed up to a 10mm crack or chip. However, in the passenger's area, you're allowed up to a 40mm crack or chip. Tears or holes in your wiper rubber will cause your vehicle to fail its MOT test. Check your wipers by turning them on. If they squeak or smudge your windscreen, then it might be time to replace them. Brand new wiper blades can improve your visibility massively. Check the belt material for any tears or damage and make sure it would hold should you need it to. Plug in all of your seat belts and check they lock properly to ensure safety for your passengers. Make sure the driver's seat is able to adjust forwards and backwards easily. Make sure your number plate is clean and check the font and spacing of the letters on both plates, front and back. They must comply with the legal requirements to pass the MOT test. To ensure your horn works, give it a short blast. If it doesn't work, find a repairer to fix it.